Alright guys, so you wanted a tour of the shop. So far, still in progress. Definitely still in progress. So keep that in mind. So here is looking towards Dogtown. Obviously got all sorts of construction going on here. It's just absolute freaking mess. So that is hopefully going to be the main farm for Dogtown Farms. You can see we had to paint all these walls. I've got some of that crappy duck clear insulation stuff going on the windows. That one fell down. Got to fix it. That's just gonna have to get me through winter until I can do something permanent there. All right, so here is the pegboard, if you will. So I've got some in the box stuff there, some more there. These are just kind of like future projects, kind of like my cleanup and mixing area. Paint, more paint over there. That is some paint and some Dremel accessories there. File. Lots more in the box projects coming up. Dremel workstation, some parts bins, more parts bins up top. And then here's, of course, the project area. And if you guys have been watching lately, you've seen what's going on here for the most part. So check this out. I decided in my shop I wanted a car lift, two-post lift. So what the heck, I made one. 3D printed it. That's why you have a 3D printer, I guess. So that turned out pretty sweet, I think. Here are these toolboxes I printed. Those turned out pretty nice too. Anyway, there's my helping hands. It's I'm painting a racing seat for my Dodge Challenger project, drag project. Just it's kind of messy here right now. Just kind of the end of the day, so about to do a big cleanup on it, I guess. But thought I'd show you guys. Parts bins. Got me a little belt sander here. Now that I think about it, right next to the 3D printer is probably the worst place imaginable for that. Cool. So here's my little 3D printing workstation. So printer, ultrasonic cleaner, and then UV curing booth. So, there's that. Anyway, it kind of looks like maybe I'm going to need to add some more resin to this printer thing real soon. So there's that. Anyway, kind of got like a little cleanup area for the 3D printer. This is probably going to be like a final clean assembly area, where this is more the work area, filing, sanding, drilling, all that sort of thing, cutting. And then this will be, after everything's painted, put it together here. Just got a laptop there for right now, doing some research purposes. Just added this today, so that is like the 1/16 scale project shelf, which is a complete nightmare right now. But this is going to be a future barn on Dogtown. Here are a bunch of projects and kits, some CD model stuff you can see there. Let's see, let's go through some of these and see what we got. 15 shank anhydrous kits, a couple versatile kits, 17 shank kits. Let's see, that is a grain bed, I think. Those are mounted anhydrous applicators, some weights. This is like a little trailer. It's kind of a cool thing. I'm going to put that together pretty quick, I think. Gleaner header. I don't even own a gleaner combine, but whatever. I have a gleaner header. That is a no-till drill. Maybe I'll get that put together someday. Those are a whole bunch of more NH3 kits. Ripper kit. Check these out. These are the new, just did them this year. CD Models did. New movable 3-point kit. These are incredible detail. Unquestionably the best 3-point kit on the market. Yeah. Anyway, call up CD Models if you want one of those. Those are awesome. Moving downtown here. This is a precision engineering engine that I've got for a project. You can see this is like the next flight, if you will, of projects to come. And then back over here, just some inventory. Some of those may be projects. Some of them are probably just going to go to a show and sell, and then all of that stuff just needs to go. That's the bottom line there. Yeah. Anyway, that's about it. I hope I'm about to wrap up my day because I got to go to the Bloomington Choice Show tomorrow, but I hope to get these organized. These are all New Holland and versatile kits. So I want those organized before I go to bed or whatever, before I'm done here tonight. So they're going to go over on this thing. And anyway, that's it, guys. So far for lights, so I still got to kind of deal with the electrical situation a little bit down here, but so far for lights, this is a Good Earth LED. It's motion, blah, blah, blah. That's really good. This is just a farm store LED light. These are like 20 bucks. Those are awesome. So I bought these. These are also LED for 20 bucks. I don't like those as much as I like this, though. I don't like the light output of those as I do this, so... Alright, guys, I'll leave you with one last look at Dogtown. If you're on Instagram, you saw this already, but no, Dogtown is not switching to green four-wheel drives. So, still going to do the real green and some of these red puppies. So, I just want to be a little bit different. Everybody runs green, right? Let's do something different. Alright, guys. Little shaky cam there to end it out. Just real quick, so I think I'm going to do a farmhouse here. So kind of yard, might do like a little garden or something in through here. Obviously shop, driveway, fueling station, whatever you want to call it. Obviously where the big horses sleep. And probably when they're on implements, they won't be there. They'll probably be in the field. So, but you know, end of the season, that's where the big dogs are going to sleep. We're going to have a field back there. It's about 90 feet wide if you scale it out. So that's the tricky part when you got a 4x8 sheet is finding your room. This is all going to be field here. We're going to have a bit of a gravel road through here. And then all that over by the bluff. I'll deal with that once we get going on that. Oops, again, sorry for the shaky cam. But, okay, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Give me the like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And treat each other well. Have a great day. Happy tractor hunting.